In this video, I want to talk about how you can get free gifts on Temu. Now currently there are 4 ways that you can do this, so let me quickly go through all of them. So the first one is a new user offers. So when you first sign up for Temu, they will most likely have some big promotions, like you can get free gifts or you can get big discount codes and stuff like this. Now the second one is the promotional events and games. So inside of the Temu games, most likely when you play those, you can win rewards. And these can be free credits, free gifts, free discount codes and stuff like this. Now the referral program is called the affiliate program. Just Google Temu affiliate, sign up for this. And in here you can invite people with your links. And when they go for there, you can get the money, or you will also be able to get other kind of credits and stuff. And you can also get your friend to send these to you, and you can use them yourself. So the last one, which is contests and giveaways. So if you follow Temu on their social medias or you're on their email list, sometimes they will do some kind of contest and giveaways, and you can get it from in there. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.